Hey guys, welcome back to Ilan App. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Bemis soft close toilet seat slams shut. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So if you're having problems with your Bemis toilet seat here, there are going to be some things that you need to know. So in this case, if you're having problems with your Bemis soft close toilet seat, and it's shutting too quickly here, it means that the actual mechanism or the hinges here may have worn out. So meaning due to usage, so we all know that all devices or any products out there through usage actually wears out. So in this case, there is something that you can still do here. So you can try fixing this by adding lubrication into the hinges, and hopefully that should fix the issue. So if that doesn't solve the issue, there is still something that you could try. So first is you want to try removing the toilet seat here from the bowl itself. So this actually depends on what type of toilet seat you have. So you may need to refer to a specific manual for one that you have. But typically you just need to detach this. In this case, the hinges is going to be at the back. So usually you might need to open the section here to see the screws on it. But yeah. So you want to carefully take it out or apart, pulling out the internal components on both sides, and basically open the hinge and apply a thick, slow-moving grease inside to restore the friction that controls the soft close feature. Now, after applying the grease, reassemble the hinges, reattach the seat here, and basically test it. Now, another thing that you might want to do here is you might want to clean your toilet seat as well. So just to make sure it's not dirt what's causing this. And if that doesn't work, maybe it's time to get a new toilet seat here, especially if you've been using it a lot. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Len Up. Thank you for watching.